What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Haley Cairo. I am a health coach and the founder of May Movement, an empowering lifestyle brand. You guys know I am all about the cookies and the ice cream, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite macro-friendly dessert recipes. But before we get started, I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel with the bell notifications turned on and followed along on my Instagram account because it got hacked. So I have a brand new one for you guys. Don't forget to follow Hale's Health as well for awesome recipes and fitness tips. So let's talk about one of my favorite healthy food brands, Yasso. They are a Greek yogurt-based ice cream company, with the pints being anywhere from 100 to 150 calories per serving and 80 to 150 calories per ice cream bar. They pack 5 to 7 grams of protein. They're made with no high-intensity sweeteners or erythritol. They're made with real Greek yogurt for a creamy, indulgent taste, which, seriously, guys, they nail all of the flavors. They're available in grocery stores nationwide, and they come in 18 bar flavors and 9 pint flavors. You will be hooked just like me, trust me. If you've ever tried to make a protein cookie, you know it's difficult, but I found that the Yasso Greek yogurt bars or pints make fantastic textured and tasting protein cookies. So today we're going to use the sea salt caramel. You're just going to pop it in the microwave 10 to 15 seconds until it is pretty melted. You don't want it to be too liquidy, but you know, you need some texture still. Mix it all up, and then we're going to be adding 2 whole eggs. Definitely do the whole eggs. It's good for the texture. And once you are finished mixing that completely, we are going to be adding 2 tablespoons of nut butter. I think the almond butter plays with the caramel flavors really well, and it doesn't overpower it. If you use peanut butter, chances are it's going to taste like a peanut butter cookie. If you want that, be my guest. But today we're using almond. Cashew butter would be another fantastic option as well. Next, we're going to add in 25 grams of collagen peptides. This is really going to help with texture. It's also giving you some added protein and the benefits of collagen, which is awesome. Then we're going to add a scoop of a plant-based protein. Again, really great for texture. You can use whey, but it will come out different. Then we need some salt, baking powder, and baking soda. Now for this next part, the almond flour. I like to do this in 2 groups, so 28 grams every time, and then stir just so that way it's not super clumpy. You can make sure that you have a good, well-mixed batter, and then we're going to freeze it for about 30 minutes. It's just easier to work with, gives you more of that cookie dough texture. You're going to need to line a baking tray with some parchment paper and give it a spray with some non-stick spray, or use some coconut oil. I baked the cookies for 12 minutes to get a crisp outside and chewy on the inside. You could totally underbake them for a chewy cookie. I also used the black raspberry chip Yasso bar in another recipe with just whey protein, and it came out like a lace cookie, real flat, crisp. It was so delicious. Okay, so this chocolate ganache recipe is literally life-changing. You can use it on so many different things, and I love this to just help me hit my protein macros for the day, plus it's super simple. So you're going to need 12 scoops, 12 grams of collagen and 10 grams of cocoa powder. You can kind of play with the ratios depending on your macros for the day, if you need more, if you need less. And then a sweetener of your choice. I used about 10 grams of stevia. I used 1 ounce of water, and you're actually going to do the collagen in 2 parts just so that it's not clumpy. So you'll notice that it's a pretty liquidy batter, but the collagen will start to set in and it'll start to thicken, similar to any sort of like gelatinous thing that you've ever had. So I added another scoop of the collagen, so 25 grams total for this recipe. And then you're going to freeze it for 10 to 15 minutes. Now, what I like to do is actually dip the Yasso bars in the collagen so you get that extra chocolate coating plus the benefits of the collagen protein. It's really yummy. Some other things you could do are dip fresh fruit in there. You could also use it as a drizzle on protein ice cream, cookies, pancakes, whatever. You can do these little single servings out of the pints. Such a cute idea when you just want a quick sweet fix. So I used a little melon scooper and just individually dumped them into the collagen, and then I put them back in the freezer for, well, I mean, you could technically just do this ahead of time and keep them in the freezer, but I recommend freezing it at least for 15 to 30 minutes, and then you have these cute little ice cream balls. I also have another recipe with my avocado cookies on Hale's Health. You guys can check it out. I stacked my mint chocolate chip bar. It was super good. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing these sweet treat recipes. Give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more healthy hacks. And don't forget to subscribe and follow along on social. I will have all of the links down below, including where you guys can purchase Yasso with all of the recipes. But until next time, I hope you're doing well, and I'll see you soon.